So in the transcending prelims, we are migrating and traveling and simply swimming into the peninsular rivers. Okay, so we are to see the peninsular rivers, which is nothing but the rivers that are originating and flowing in the Deccan Plateau region and the southern part of India. Okay, right. So the peninsula, most of the peninsular rivers are originated from Western Ghats. Okay, so Western Ghats are the eroded remnant part of the hill-like structure, but it is not the true hill. Okay, basically, so that is why we call it as a Ghats, not the hills. Okay, or mountains. We are not calling the Western Ghats as a mountains. Okay, right. So now our attributes focusing only on peninsular rivers. Already we know that the peninsular part, what is the peninsular part, we already knew in the previous classes. Okay, and though majority of the rivers are, very few rivers are west flowing, and among that Narmada and Tapi are the very important one. Okay, which is the lengthiest rivers. These two rivers are lengthier than other rivers. Okay, right. The Narmada and the Tapi are the only long rivers which flow west and make estuaries. The drainage basins of the peninsular rivers are comparatively smaller in size. Okay, if you are happen to just enter into the Palakkad and travel and transcend through the Kerala region, you will find that some of the rivers, okay, majority of the rivers will flow on the western direction, and very small rivers, even a small stream will be having a name if you ask the local, and they will be telling the name of the stream, and the stream will be merging with some pulas. Pula means river in Malayalam, and will be merging with the Arabian Ocean. Okay, so don't think that the Narmada and Tapi are the only rivers that are flowing through the western direction. Okay, major rivers are, some minor rivers are there from Maharashtra to Kerala. Okay, so that is also Luni river is also the west flowing river that is in Gujarat. Okay, right. All right. So Narmada basin. So basin is nothing but the where the water is collected. Okay, river for the river the water is needed. So where the river water is collected is known as the basin. Okay. So Narmada creates many picturesque locations. The marble rocks near Jabalpur, where Narmada flows through the deep gorge, and Dwadar falls, where the river plunges over the steep rocks, are some of the notable ones. See, the question will be like marble rocks feature is created by which of the following river? This will be the questionable area, and the Dwadar Falls, where it is located. Dwadar Falls is in the river of Dash. This will be the questionable area. And the marble rocks is near Jaipur, Jabalpur, Bahubalipur. So like that there may be a question. So each and every word must be scrutinized. Okay, whenever you are reading the NCERT. Okay, right. So Narmada River Conservation Mission has been undertaken by the government of Madhya Pradesh by the scheme named Namami Devi Narmada. Okay, Namami means greetings. Okay, Namaste. Okay, right. All tributaries of Narmada are very short, and most of these join the main stream on right angles. The Narmada basin covers part of Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. The question will be like, which are the Narmada basin extends from which are the following states? Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Okay, not Rajasthan. Okay, let's see. Then Tapi basin. So Tapi in the Satpura ranges, Beetle district of Madhya Pradesh. Okay, it flows in a rift valley parallel to the Narmada, but it is much shorter in length. Okay, its basin covers a part of Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. Remember, Tapi covers the Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. Here the Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat for Narmada. This will be the questionable area. So which river covers the which basin area is a matter of contention. Then coastal plains between Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea are very narrow. Just to note of the point. This will be the analytical part of question. Okay. So actually east coastal plains are extensive. West coast plains are very narrow because of its geological locations. Okay, right. Hence, the coastal rivers are short. The main west flowing rivers are Sabarmati, Mahi, Bharadapuzha, and Periyar. Bharadapuzha and Periyar. Periyar and Bharadapuzha is in Kerala. Okay. Find out the states in which these rivers drain the water. Okay. Sabarmati is in Gujarat. Okay, right. Okay. So this is a west flowing river. Then the east flowing river is Godavari. Okay. So Godavari river. Right. So go means cow. Okay. So you have enjoyed the taste of Stivari sweets. Okay. So Godavari. Okay. The name has the relation. Okay. Right. Godavari is the largest peninsular river. That is longest. It rises from the slope of Western Ghats and Nasik district of Maharashtra. Its length is 1500 kilometers. That is Godavari. Basin also, it is the largest among the peninsular rivers. Okay. So whenever I look at the name big and small, whenever I come across some longest or smallest, I found the oxymoronic and funny side of the English also. Okay. See, the big is very small, the small is very big. Okay. So whenever we say big, but when we write that, it looks like a very small 3 letters. But when it is small, it is 5 letters. Okay, right, let it be. So largest peninsular river rises from the slopes. Okay, right, let it be. So nearly Maharashtra covers 50% of the basin. Okay, and remaining Madhya Pradesh and Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Tributaries, Purna, Varda, Pranhita, Manjra, Vainganga or Penganga. These are all the tributaries. Okay, just look at the map. Okay, it is also known as the Dakshin Ganga, South Ganga. Dakshin means South Ganga. Okay, because of its mighty in nature. Okay, so Dakshin Ganga. Okay, and locals will be calling as a Dakshin Ganga only. Okay, they simply say, okay, get a snanam, get a bath in Ganga river. Okay, not even the Dakshin, the word Dakshin will be pronounced, only the Ganga. Okay, the local people. Then Mahanadi basin, Mahanadi in the highlands of Chhattisgarh, it flows through the Odisha and reaches the Bay of Bengal. Length of the river is 860 kilometers. Okay, the basin shared by Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha. So always remember this is a questionable area. So whenever which are the following rivers are sharing the basins? For example, in Maharashtra, which are the following river basins are present? In Gujarat, which are the following river basins are present? So this will be the questionable format. Okay. So Maharashtra. Okay, and Krishna basin. Yes, it is rising from the spring near the Mahabaleshwar. The Krishna flows for about 1400 kilometers, reaches the Bay of Bengal. The Tungabhadra, actually Tunga is a different river, Bhadra is different river. After joining only that became Tungabhadra. Okay, so you know the South Indian history hosts the name of Kulothunga Cholan. Kulothunga Cholan. So Kulothunga comes from this Tunga. Okay, after the Cholas made the marital relationship with the Karnataka Andhra region kings, he became the Kulothungan. Okay, so Tungan means the son of Tunga river. Okay, so Tungabhadra, the Koina, Ghattaprabha, the Musi and the Bhima are some of the tributaries. The drainage basin shared by Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. So here the questionable area will be the drainage basin basis. Okay, so the Krishna river has the drainage basin by which of the following states? Okay, right. So Kaveri basin. Okay, so Kaveri basin rises the Brahmagiri range of the Western Ghats. and reaches the Bay of Bengal south of Kadalur in Tamil Nadu. The total length of the river is 760 kilometers. Amravati, Bhavani, Hemavati, Kabini are tributaries, drains part of Karnataka and Kerala and Tamil Nadu basin. So question will be like, what are all the tributaries of Kaveri? Ticket. Okay, the same way, what are all the tributaries of Narmada, Tapi? Ticket. And what are all the, I mean, the Kaveri basin lies in which of the following states? So this will be the questionable area. Okay, right. So this is all about the peninsular rivers, and regarding the very extensive studies regarding the peninsular rivers, you will be reading in higher standards. Okay, so no worry. As of now, the information is given, and information can be approached the way I have taught so far. Okay, all right.